Hello students of class 7. Welcome to the GK class. So students, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 8, Pop, Rock and Jazz. Okay? So page number 11, Pop, Rock and Jazz. See the book.
Chapter 8, Pop, Rock and Jazz. These are different styles of music. Pop, rock and jazz. Popular music includes all kinds of music that are considered trendy, such as the kinds that play most often on radio and TV and at parties and gatherings. Popular music changes over time, and every period has its own popular music. This kind of music includes many different styles: pop, jazz, rock, reggae, and rap are a few examples. Unlike classical music, popular music is not formally taught. It is also less rigid and is meant for much larger audiences. In India, the most dominant form of popular music is film music. These are different styles of Western music: pop, rock, jazz, reggae, and rap. Okay? Now, see, question number 1. Tick the correct option or options. Number 1. A popular music band is a group that performs popular music as a team. It includes instrumentalists and often singers too. Which of the following were members of the famous English band The Beatles? The answer is, all the answers are correct. All the options are correct. A, B, C, D. Tick all the options. A, John Lennon. B, Ringo Starr. C, Paul McCartney. D, George Harrison. Number 2. A boy band is a popular music band made up of young men. Which of the following started off as boy bands? Option A, option C, and option D. Option A, Boyzone. Option C, Backstreet Boys. Option D, Westlife. Number 3. Pick the members of a musical trio that has composed many popular film songs. Option A, option B, and option D. Option A, Shankar Mahadevan. Option B, Loy Mendonca. D, Ehsaan Nurani. Shankar Ehsaan Loy. They are famously known as Shankar Ehsaan Loy. Okay. Number 4. Which of the following bands are Indian? Options are A, C, and D. These are correct. A, Fossils. C, Soulmate. D, Euphoria. Number 5. Pick the members of the Indian duo Colonial Cousins, which produces a fusion of Indian and Western music. Correct answer, B and C. B, Hariharan. C, Leslie Lewis. Number 6. Rock or rock and roll is a kind of popular music with simple tunes and a strong rhythm. Who among the following are rock musicians? Correct options are option A, option B, and option C. Option A, the Beatles. Option B, Elvis Presley. and C. Jimi Hendrix. Number 7. Jazz is a kind of African American music. Much of it is improvised or created by the musicians while performing. Who among the following are jazz musicians? Correct options A, B, C, D. All the options are correct. Option A, Louis Banks. Option B, Kenny G. Option C, Nora Jones. Option D, Louis Armstrong. Number 8. Rap is a kind of music in which words are spoken quickly to a strong, fast rhythm. Pick the rappers among the following. All the options are correct. Option A, B, C, D. A. Pitbull. B. Jay-Z. C. Baba Sehgal. D. Honey Singh. Now, we'll see the next page. Question number 9. This West Indian form of music often has lyrics based on religious, social and political subjects. It has often been used in songs of protest. It is known as, the correct answer is option C, reggae. Okay. Number 10. Who sang the signature song My Heart Will Go On for the movie Titanic? The correct answer is option D, Celine Dion. Number 11. Among the following, who have performed in one or more of the FIFA World Cup official songs? All the options are correct. A. Pitbull. B. Shakira. C. Ricky Martin. D. Jennifer Lopez. Number 12. Band Aid and USA for Africa were groups formed by solo musicians and musicians from different bands to raise funds to fight famine and poverty in Africa. The huge hit We Are the World by USA for Africa was written by option A, Lionel Richie and Michael Jackson. Option D. 13. This song was originally written in honor of actress Marilyn Monroe. One of its composers, Elton John, sang a rewritten version as a tribute to Diana, Princess of Wales, at her funeral. Which song is it? The answer is option B, Candle in the Wind. Number 14. Some Western musicians have used Indian instruments such as the sitar and the tabla. One of them was George Harrison of the Beatles. He learned to play his instrument from option A, Ravi Shankar. Number 15. The Grammy Awards are given in the USA to recognize great achievements in music. Among the following Indian musicians who have won this award, all the options are correct. Option A, A.R. Rahman. Option B, Ravi Shankar. Option C, Zakir Hussain. Option D, Vishwa Mohan Bhatt. Okay. Now, number 2. Identify the musician or the group from the options given. Okay. A, she is the greatest singer, Asha Bhosle. Option B, this is Spice Girls. C, this is Euphoria Band. D, singer, the famous singer Arijit Singh. Clear? Okay. See this properly. Number 1, option A, B, C, D. Number 2, A, C, D. Number 3, A, B, D. Number 4, A, C, D. Number 5, B, C. 6, A, B, C. 7, A, B, C, D. 8, A, B, C, D. 9, C. 10, D. 11, A, B, C, D. 12, A, D. 13, B. 14, A. 15, A, B, C, D. Number 2, Asha Bhosle, Spice Girls, Euphoria, Arijit Singh. Clear? We have done this chapter, pop, rock and jazz. Okay? Students, that's all for today. Have a nice day all of you and take care.